What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to install a screen protector on a smartphone flawlessly every time. First, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Now, let's get started. A tempered glass screen protector is cheap insurance to protect your screen from receiving permanent scratches or damage. Between switching phones and teenagers who abuse their phones, I have installed many screen protectors. I have perfected a system, and I install them flawlessly every time. When installing a screen protector, the number one problem is bubbles under the protector. This is caused by a piece of dirt, dust, or cloth fiber on the phone screen, or on the screen protector. When installing the screen protector, the debris prevents the protector from touching the screen, and a bubble forms around it. The second problem is misalignment. Once you start to put the protector on, there's no going back. If it does not line up perfect, you are out of luck. Now, I will show you how I avoid these issues, and why some people call me the Screen Master. This screen protector has accumulated some damage. There are cracks and chips. Better the protector than the actual screen. So, let's replace it. First, shut down the phone. Aligning the screen protector is easiest with the dark screen. It'll throw you off if you are in the middle of the procedure and the screen lights up. Next, get two items with about the same thickness, to be used as sawhorses for the phone. I'll be using a couple textbooks. Position the items so the top and bottom portions of the phone rest on them, but not the screen. Now open up your screen protector. It'll likely come with an alcohol wipe, a cleaning cloth, and an applicator card. Keep the alcohol wipe and trash the rest. The cleaning cloth always seems to leave behind dust particles or fabric debris. I use the inside of my shirt, which has been washed 1,000 times and does not have any loose fibers or dust. And that little cardboard applicator is a joke. Get something larger and more rigid, like an identification card. Check your wallet and find something good. Next, do a dry run, aligning the screen protector so you are prepared for perfect alignment. Position the protector above the screen and select what features you will use to line it up. For this phone, I'll line up the hole for the speaker at the top of the phone and the cutout for the home button at the bottom of the phone. Next, it's time to begin. With the screen facing down, clean it with the alcohol wipe. Then, buff it out and wipe it down with a trusted t-shirt. Keep the phone screen down. This prevents dust and debris in the air from landing on the screen after cleaning. Set the clean phone on the box. Screen down, not touching the screen. Now, get out the screen protector. From here, we need to move relatively quickly, because dust is the enemy. I know this is not the best camera angle, but once you commit and begin, you need to keep going. Hold the screen protector in the working area, and remove the protective film. Make sure the surface that contacts the phone is face down. This prevents debris in the air from landing and sticking to the sticky surface. Now, rotate the phone screen up while holding the protector over it, using the protector as a shield from dust. Lower the protector so it is just above the screen. Now, you are pretty much safe from dust. Now, make your final alignments between the protector and the screen. Line up the features just like you practiced. Then, when the alignment is perfect, push one end of the protector onto the screen and let the flawless application begin. As the protector settles, use the card to smooth it out, starting from the first point of contact, moving to all exterior edges. Swipe, 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 swipe. Perfect! It looks good. Bubble-free and aligned. The Screen Master lives on. So, that's how I do it, and it works for me. I hope you can extract some helpful tips. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. I post a new one at least once a week. Drop any comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.